In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a community on Twitter, also known as X. First, make sure you're logged into your X account on your computer or mobile browser. Once you're signed in, you should land on your home dashboard. This is the main feed where you normally see posts from people you follow. Take a moment to confirm you're on that home screen before moving on. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. In that same column, find the option labeled More. It might be near the bottom of the list. Click on More to open an extended menu with additional features that aren't shown by default. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Communities. This is where X groups together conversations around specific topics or interests, so you can connect with people who care about the same things you do. When you click on Communities, you'll be taken to a section dedicated to discovering and managing communities. On this Communities page, you should see a prompt or button that says something like, "Check it out." This is X's way of inviting you to explore the communities that are available. Go ahead and click on Check It Out. This will open up a feed-style view of posts that are coming from different communities, so you can start browsing what's out there. As you scroll through this feed, you'll notice that each post shows which community it belongs to. At the top of each post, on the left-hand side, there's a community name with a small people icon next to it. When you find a post from a community that looks interesting or relevant to you, move your cursor up and click directly on that community name. This is important because it will take you to the community's main page rather than just viewing a single post. Once you're on the community page, you'll see the community's name, a short description, and recent posts from members. Near the top of this page, you should see a button that says Join. Click on Join to become a member of that community. Depending on the community settings, you might be added immediately, or your request might need to be approved by a moderator. After you've joined, you'll be able to see more posts from that community, participate in discussions, and share your own posts with other members who share your interests.